often taken for granted. Something as simple as an air filter. Guys, 2019 Ram 2500. Need a new filter. Haven't checked it in a while. To be honest with you, I've probably neglected this one. Now, I've got about 120,000 on this one. I do keep the thing fairly clean. It's a clean engine, it's a clean truck. Let's just get into it. So you're gonna need a couple things. You're gonna need a large Phillips screwdriver and a flat. I'm gonna take this airbox lid off of it, set it off to the top. Now I can unplug all the electrical connections. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna set it over. That way I can pull this completely out. We'll look at everything, just make sure it's good and clean. Good, everything's in good shape. Quick inspection. Large Phillips, old junk Craftsman I've got. And I got my Klein 12 and 1, 11 and 16, I don't know, whatever, you know. But like that, I think it's a 5/16 that driver turns into. What we're gonna do first, I'm gonna take this completely loose. Alright, so that worm drive's nice and loose, that'll be able to slip off there. Then I'm gonna take, we'll see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts it looks like to hold this top on. Let me grab those real quick. And they are captured, so you don't have to worry about losing them or falling out or any of that good stuff. Push that off. Push this off right in here. We can lift this up. There it is. This corner is right underneath here. But I think maybe, yeah, I can pull that out. Right there. And it'll set right to the side. And then we're going to pull this filter. Let's see how bad it is. Ooh, it's pretty nasty. Remember guys, I have not put a filter on this thing yet. Definitely got some bugs in it. Not bad, get some bugs on this side. But otherwise, filter's fairly clean. Definitely time for a change though. So what you want to do with that is yeah. With this new one, and I believe this, yeah, this is a Wix 46930. It's a nice filter. Wix makes good stuff. Any leaves or anything out of there, no reason to pull the big stuff right back into it, right? Drop it down. Oh, make sure the pleats will run this direction. Didn't realize, I thought it was a square. All right, simple as that. And just gonna reverse what we've already done. Take this, slide it up underneath of here. Again, once I got everything lined up, I'll like to pop this back on it. It's all nice. And I don't know a torque spec on this, but enough that it's gonna, doesn't have to be real tight. And that's required. I'll get shake afterwards, make sure everything's tight. Kind of like a strap on the engine. All right, and then you put your doodad back in there. That's it. You just did a filter change. Simple. And you drop your tools. All right, one more thing I do have for this engine. It's a grid heater delete. Now, I went ahead and inspected the grid heater bolt. Everything looks good. It looks like brand new. Honestly, it's still shiny. It's rarely used. Matter of fact, what I'll probably start doing is just double tapping the button and not let the grid heater go through its stuff, just to make sure it's not used. Right now though, I'm about to head on vacation, and my thought was I was going to do that before I leave, but I've kind of got this mentality now that I really don't want to break all the fuel lines loose and do all that stuff right before I'm going to take a long trip. So we're going to leave it as is, and when we get back from vacation, I might look at a few other things and see what I need to do to improve.